Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to measure your nails for press-on nails. First, you're going to need tape. Take a piece of tape and place it over your nail at the widest part and lay it down side to side horizontally. With a pen or marker, place a mark where each of the side of your nail is, and it should look something like this. Then I'm taking the piece of tape and I'm taping it on a piece of paper, and I'm grabbing my ruler. Using the centimeter side, count each line in between both of the marks made. One line equals 1 millimeter. For my thumb, I counted 14 lines, so it's 14 millimeters. Then, you want to repeat the same steps for all of your nails. Not everyone's measurements will be the same. Some people will have different measurements between both hands, and that's totally okay. For me, I only measured my left hand, and the measurements fit both of my hands. Once you've made all of your marks with the tape and taped them on the piece of paper, take your ruler on the centimeter side and count each line between both marks. For my index finger, I got 12 lines, so it's 12 millimeters. For my middle finger, I got 10 lines, so it's 10 millimeters. For my ring finger, I got 11 millimeters, and for my pinky, I got 8 millimeters. Once you have your measurements, you can go to the size guide and convert them to a number and a size. For my measurements, I got 3, 5, 7, 6, and 9. Those sizes fit an extra small, except my index, middle, and ring finger are all switched around, but that's totally okay. I will still be an extra small. So I would add an extra small to my cart, except at checkout, there's a little notes section, and I will write down my sizes in the correct order. If your sizes don't match the size guide, you would choose custom, and you would do the same thing. You will add your 5 numbers in the notes section at checkout in the right order. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to join the family, leave any video suggestions in the comments below. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!